Good morning, dear students. How are you today? I hope you're all doing great. This is Miss Gina, and today we are going to talk about zoo animals. Are you now ready to learn? Great! Let's begin. Zoo animals. Which animal makes that sound? It is a monkey. Which animal makes that sound? It is a snake. Which animal makes that sound? It is an elephant. Which animal makes that sound? It is a rhino. Which animal makes that sound? It is a tiger. Which animal makes that sound? It is a lion. Which animal makes that sound? It is an eagle. Activity time! Circle the animal that makes the sound. Which animal makes that sound? Very good. It is a monkey. Which animal makes that sound? Great job! It is a tiger. Which animal makes that sound? Fantastic! It is an eagle. Great job, friends! You're all awesome! Thank you, God, for a fun learning experience today. And thank you, kids, for joining the online learning. I'll see you next week. Goodbye! God bless!